Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to apply lock on applications with our Android smartphone. If you are new to the channel, please hit subscribe to support us so we can continue making videos like this one. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Applying lock on your applications or encrypting them is very easy. You just have to make sure that you are following every steps that I make. If you want to apply a password on your Android applications so that no one can open it, I will gladly tell you how to encrypt those applications. Alright, let's go ahead and start. First thing I want you to do is open your phone settings. Then after opening your phone settings, we just have to scroll down and look for privacy. Go ahead and open privacy. And then once you are in the privacy settings, in order to apply locks to our phone applications, we want to have access to privacy and app encryption. Let us go to privacy and app encryption. After opening the privacy and app encryption, normally your phone will ask you to enter a new privacy password if you don't already have one. But if you do and you don't remember it, just tap forgot password and start answering the backup questions. And once that you have confirmed your identity, I want you to go and disable privacy password so that we can reset it. Now that we have resetted our privacy and app encryption, I want you to open it again. Now let us go back to entering a new password. Once you have entered a new privacy password, your phone will ask you to verify that password for security purposes. After verifying the password, we will see two uses for the privacy password. One is for app encryption and one is to hide applications. To apply locks to our application, what we want to choose is the app encryption. So let's go ahead and choose that. And we are a step closer to applying locks on our applications. After opening the app encryption, we will see all our apps available for encryption. Go ahead and choose the app you want to be encrypted. I'll go and choose Twitter. I want you to tap the enable button. And now that we have encrypted the application that we want to apply a lock, let's go back to our home screen and see if it actually worked. Look for the app that you just encrypted. There's Twitter, the one that I encrypted. Open it. And as we can see, we now have successfully applied a lock to an app. To remove encryption, just go back to app encryption and disable the encryption that we have applied on our application. Let us go back to our home screen, launch the app, and now we have removed the encryption. Now that you know how to apply lock on apps, please let us know in the comment section what you want to know next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.